In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat and add them back to your friends list. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap on your Bitmoji on profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings menu. Scroll down until you reach the privacy control section and tap on blocked. Now you will see everyone you have blocked on Snapchat. Find the person you want to unblock and tap unblock next to their name. Once someone is unblocked, you will need to add them again manually. And you need to go back to the main screen and tap the search bar at the top, type their username, select their profile, and tap add friend. If their phone number is saved in your contacts, you need to go to your profile, tap add friends, then you need to choose contacts and hit add next to their name. You can also check your add friends section to see if they have already sent you a request. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.